Hi guys, this is Dina here. Thank you so much for being here. So today I am in my bathroom, which means I'm about to do a hair wash. My hair was in a twist out for the past couple weeks, and yeah, it's been dry. It's not really moisturized anymore, and there's not much more I can do to moisturize it until I wash it. So I'm just gonna do that, and this baby here, one of my first love, is coming to the journey with me. So I'll see you soon. Aloe vera is one of the products that you can use in your hair or your skin, and you can also use internally. It is so good for so many reasons, and one of the reasons why I like to use it in my hair, I like to use it for pre-poo, my hair for to moisturize my hair, but it can also be used in so many other ways. It helps stimulate the healthy hair growth by improving the blood circulation to your hair follicles when it is applied to your scalp. Helps your follicles receive essential vitamins, minerals, and oxygen from your blood. And aloe vera contains fatty acids with rich anti-inflammatory properties. It helps in soothing your scalp irritation, bruises, and redness while repairing your damaged scalp tissues. Aloe vera has the same range of pH level as your scalp and hair, which means by using aloe vera regularly, that can restore the pH balance of your scalp and your hair. So here I'm just applying it to my hair. I'm trying to make sure I get it all over my head, and you can also apply it to your scalp, and unfortunately I did not remember to apply it to my scalp this time. However, that's something you can do to get the extra benefits of the aloe vera. For my pre-poo, I'm also applying some oils in my hair. Here I'm using olive oil, castor oil, as well as avocado oil. Just making sure that I get it through my whole head as well, so that I can get the extra benefit of the oils as well as the aloe vera for my pre-poo. So once that's done, you want to put it up in a twist so that you can let it sit for maybe an hour, couple hours, to make sure that the product penetrates your hair so that it can be moisturized and get the benefits of the products. You can also use anything that that you can to apply heat in it if you want. However, I don't like using heat on my hair, so I'm just gonna use that, let it sit for an hour, 2 hours, to make sure I have the product penetrate my hair. Now I had to trim the end a little bit just because I have a little bit of a split ends coming down. So yeah, I often have to do that when I'm washing my hair because I don't like dealing with split ends. So now I'm just gonna put on my shower cap and just wrap my head with one of my favorite head wraps, and I'm just gonna let it sit for a couple hours to let the products moisturize my hair, and then I'll be back with the rest of this tutorial. Couple hours went by really fast. So I'm already back, and right now I'm just going to do a little bit of a protein treatment for my hair because I definitely need that as well. So what I'm gonna use here is honey. I'm gonna use an egg, and I'm going to use some mayo for the protein treatment. I like to use unpasteurized honey. I think that is recommended when using this product on your hair or your face, but I haven't done a lot of research on that, so it's up to you if you want to use that. I'm also using 100% natural mayo as well. So just apply the products all over your hair. Make sure you get everything covered. This one, you definitely do not want it on your scalp because it's going to create product buildup, and you have to really wash your scalp if you were to do that. But yeah, get it all over your hair. Make sure everything is covered. So as you can see, detangling my hair is a little bit easier at this point because I'm not using a comb, I'm not using a detangling brush. That is because I've already used the aloe vera on my hair, and that's already moisturized, and it has given me it is slippery enough for me to be able to detangle it with just my fingers. Now that I'm done applying the mix in my hair, I'm just going to do the same thing. I'll put my shower cap on and wrap up my hair again and let it sit for an hour this time. So I finished rinsing the products off of my hair, and I made sure that I used water that were not too hot and not too cold, because you don't want to use hot water because there's eggs in the mix and you might end up with with boiled eggs. But yeah, so I wanted to come here and show you what my hair looks like without the products in it, and I'm about to apply my shampoo and go back in the shower to rinse that off. So the products that I'm using for this tutorial is my organics coconut oil. It's one of my favorite product line because it is natural for the most part, and I like using natural things in my hair, natural organic things in my hair. So but I don't have any staple products. I use a variety of products on my hair. So that's what I'm going to be using for my shampoo. I will go and rinse it off, and we'll show you what I will be using as conditioner for this tutorial. Again, this is not sponsored, so you can use any products that you favor. Now guys, let me know in the comment section if you will be trying it or if you have tried any of this method. And for the aloe vera, do you like using aloe vera, and what other products do you use? Any other natural products that you use on your hair? Like, I'm thinking of using the rice water, but I'm not really sure about that, so let me know what your experience is with white rice water. But yeah, just let me know in the comment section any inquiries, anything that you think about this tutorial. And to condition my hair, I'm gonna be using Shea Moisture. This product, I've only started using it last year, and I actually really like it. And I think it's gonna be one of my favorite products to use going forward. But let me know if you like these products, and they have so many types of they have so many products in this line. So let me know which is your favorite so I can try it as well. But yeah, if you can see, my hair is really shiny so far. It's not giving me a hard time, and I'm really loving the aloe vera. I mean, do you see how my fingers are going through it so easily? They are so slippery. I really like these products that I'm using today. Guys, I just noticed my face. I just noticed my facial expression, and it looks like I'm very uncomfortable. But I think it's just me having to move my head so that I can see my my hair, because I can't really see what I'm doing. I'm trying to keep up with the camera and trying to see what I'm doing, so it just it looks a bit awkward. But I'm actually doing it, so that's fine. You guys can forgive me, right? So I ended up using my detangler in the end because I was having a little bit of a hard time. But everything went so well so far, and I'm loving this hair treatment, and using the aloe vera was the best decision that I made this week. So I'm trying to grow my hair, and I'm trying to grow healthier hair this year. So I will be posting more natural remedies, hair growth tutorials, and things like that. So if you'd like to follow my hair journey, especially in 2022, please subscribe. There will be so much more coming up in this channel. So I think I managed to get this product throughout my hair, and I'm just gonna go back to the shower, rinse it out, and then I'll be back to let you know and have you guys see how my hair looks like. And definitely there's no regrets with the product choices for these tutorials. Make sure to let me know if you are trying any of these products and if you have in the past. So here it is, you guys. I really like it. Really nice, shiny, and I ended up having little bits of pieces of aloe vera in my head, but I can deal with that. The pros outweigh the cons for sure. So yeah, so please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.